solo parent and hardworking mom. You didn't click on this video because you wanted a boring discussion and mundane commentary. You click on it because you have heard it whispered consistently that foreign men are not just interested in Filipinas, they are fascinated, even addicted, to the unique excitement and pleasure that single Filipina moms bring into their lives. Today, I am going to tell you why a single mom in the Philippines can often outshine a younger single woman when it comes to love, intimacy, and lasting connection. Stay tuned, because by the end of this talk, you might just rethink everything you thought you knew about relationships in the Philippines. The excitement factor is that single Filipino moms are more adventurous in relationships. We have been through struggles and know how to keep life interesting. Foreign men often say they don't get the same fire, energy, and spontaneous fun back home. They love that Filipino moms can be playful and teasing, yet deeply caring, and in the cultural spice of Filipino humor, family-oriented warmth, and natural charm. And suddenly the relationship feels alive, not routine. Ask any foreigner why he is drawn to a single Filipino mom, and many will tell you we are not shy about bringing fun and pleasure into the relationship. Whether it's karaoke nights, cooking new dishes together, or being bold in intimacy, we know how to keep a man excited. The pleasure of stability and maturity rates high on a foreigner's list of Filipina criteria. Unlike many younger women, single Filipina moms often know exactly what they want. They don't waste time with games. Our experience makes us more understanding, patient, and affectionate. Many foreign men describe being with us as a mix of romance, maturity, and fiery passion. The balance is that we can be a lover, a partner, and a friend, all in one. We single Filipino moms have already been tested by life. We know how to run a household, raise kids, balance finances, and yet, when we give our heart to a man, we give it full commitment and intensity. That kind of passion, gentleman, is rare, and it's what foreign men call the ultimate pleasure of being with a Filipino mom. The unique bond with foreign men is uncanny. Foreigners often say Filipino moms appreciate love and love more deeply because we know hardship, unlike many Western relationships that feel transactional. Here, it's about genuine appreciation. We value stability, respect, and attention. For the man, that creates a bond where he feels wanted and admired, not just tolerated. Add intimacy, laughter, and the thrill of cultural exchange, and it's easy to see why foreign men keep coming back. When you ask foreign men why they don't just date locally, many will answer, because no one back home makes me feel this way. With a Filipino mom, he feels like he is stepping into a world of fresh excitement, warmth, and endless affection. That's not something you can put a price on. Some think foreign men only want short-term thrills, but the reality, many find long-term happiness. A Filipino mom's loyalty and devotion often surprises them. We experience joy not just in romance but in building a family-style connection. Foreigners feel like they are truly needed and cherished, and that makes the excitement turn into lasting pleasure. The excitement starts with attraction, but the pleasure grows into something deeper. That's why foreign men say they don't just fall in love with a Filipino mom. They fall in love with the life she creates around them. If you have ever wondered why foreign men light up when talking about single Filipino moms, now you know. It's about the thrill, the joy, the laughter, the warmth, the intimacy, and the real love that only we lovingly provide. If you are tired of routine, tired of games, and tired of cold connections, maybe it's time you discover the excitement and pleasure that only a Filipino mom can bring into your world. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I have Patreon membership now for subscribers or viewers interested in more videos and day-to-day life. The link is in the video description. We are family. See you next episode.